Ladies and gentlemen, success is not some far-off dream or something that just happens by luck. It is a journey, and that journey starts with you. Every choice you make, every action you take, and every effort you put in matters. The power to succeed is not in anyone else's hands. It lies within you. It all begins with understanding that your success is shaped by your thoughts, beliefs, and actions. If you look at people who are successful, they aren't just lucky. They have made deliberate decisions along the way. They have set goals, faced challenges, and kept going, even when things were tough. The key here is consistency and effort. Success doesn't come overnight, and it certainly doesn't come without hard work. But with persistence and the right mindset, success becomes a natural outcome. The first step is to believe in yourself. If you don't believe that you can achieve great things, then you won't even try. Believe that you deserve success and that you have the potential to reach the heights you dream of. It's about shifting your mindset from I can't to I will. And when you believe that, you start making choices that align with that belief. You stop making excuses and start taking responsibility for your actions. Belief in yourself is the first step towards success. It might sound simple, but it is one of the most powerful things you can do for yourself. Without belief, you are setting yourself up for failure from the start. If you don't think you are capable of achieving your goals, then you won't put in the effort, and you'll be more likely to quit when things get tough. But when you truly believe in yourself, you open up the possibility of doing things you never thought possible. Belief is not about arrogance or thinking you are better than others. It's about having confidence in your abilities and knowing that you are deserving of success. You have to understand that success is not reserved for a select few, but it is available to anyone who is willing to put in the work. Believing in yourself means trusting that, even when things get hard, you will keep going. You will find ways to overcome challenges, and you will continue pushing forward no matter what obstacles come your way. When you believe in yourself, you start to make decisions that align with that belief. You no longer make excuses or shy away from opportunities. You stop waiting for others to give you permission to succeed. Instead, you take ownership of your future and make the necessary changes to reach your goals. Believing in yourself gives you the courage to take risks, knowing that even if you fail, you will learn and grow from it. One important aspect of belief is self-awareness. To truly believe in yourself, you must first understand your strengths and weaknesses. You must accept who you are, both the good and the not so good. This self-awareness allows you to work on the areas where you need improvement while also building on your strengths. It's about being honest with yourself and recognizing that growth is a continuous journey. Belief in yourself also means not comparing your progress to others. It's easy to look at someone else's success and feel like you are falling behind. But everyone's journey is different. What works for one person may not work for you. And that's okay. Focus on your own path, and trust that, if you keep working hard, you will reach your destination at the right time. Success is not a race, and there is no need to rush. The only competition you need is with yourself. Every day, aim to be better than you were yesterday. In addition, believing in yourself helps you stay motivated. When the road gets tough, and it feels like nothing is going right, your belief in yourself will be the thing that keeps you going. It reminds you that you are capable and that setbacks are just temporary. It's not about never failing, it's about getting up each time you fall. With belief, failure becomes just another stepping stone toward success. The belief in yourself is what empowers you to take action, persist through difficulties, and stay focused on your goals. It's the foundation upon which all other aspects of success are built. Without it, you may never even begin the journey. But with it, the possibilities are endless. So take the time to nurture that belief. Remind yourself every day that you are worthy of success, and watch as the doors to opportunity open before you. Hard work and persistence are non-negotiable for success. It's easy to get caught up in the idea that success should come effortlessly, that there's some magic formula or shortcut to achieving great things. But let's be honest, real success doesn't come without putting in the effort. The road to success is paved with late nights, long hours, and plenty of sacrifices. It's about pushing yourself beyond your comfort zone and not giving up when the going gets tough. One of the key truths about hard work is that it is not just about physical effort or the number of hours you spend on something. It's about doing things with intention, putting your heart and mind into whatever you are working on. You can work long hours, but if you are not focused or dedicated, that time won't bring you closer to your goals. The quality of your work, combined with the effort you put in, is what ultimately drives you towards success. Persistence is the secret weapon that separates those who achieve success from those who don't. Everyone faces obstacles, failures, and disappointments along the way. In fact, if you're not facing challenges, you're probably not pushing yourself hard enough. The difference between someone who succeeds and someone who doesn't is not necessarily their talent or intelligence, it's their ability to keep going when things don't work out as planned. When you encounter setbacks, you can either choose to let them stop you or use them as fuel to keep moving forward. Think about all the successful people you know, whether they're in business, sports, entertainment, or any other field. The one thing they all have in common is that they didn't give up. They faced rejection, failure, and challenges, but they kept going. They kept working, kept believing in their vision, and refused to quit. Success requires a mindset that doesn't accept defeat. It's about understanding that failure is just part of the process, and that it's not the end of the road. Every failure is an opportunity to learn and grow. Hard work and persistence are particularly crucial when pursuing long-term goals. In today's world, where instant gratification is often expected, it's easy to feel disheartened when results don't come right away. But true success takes time. It's about putting in the effort day after day, week after week, without seeing immediate results. The key is to trust the process and understand that consistency is what brings results over time. The small daily actions you take add up to something much bigger. It's the compound effect of hard work that pays off in the long run. While it's important to work hard, it's also crucial to work smart. Hard work isn't just about working endlessly without direction. It's about being strategic and focusing your energy on what matters most. This means identifying your priorities and making sure that you are not wasting time on tasks that don't contribute to your success. Sometimes, working smarter means finding more efficient ways to do things, delegating tasks, or learning new skills that help you progress faster. Hard work doesn't have to mean exhausting yourself. It's about being consistent and smart with your efforts. Persistence is about developing resilience. There will always be moments when you feel like giving up, when you think that success is too far out of reach. But the ability to keep pushing through those moments, to pick yourself up after each failure, is what defines successful people. They have the strength to weather the storm and keep moving forward, even when things seem impossible. In order to be persistent, you also need to stay motivated. Motivation comes from within. It's about having a clear vision of your goals and reminding yourself why you're doing this in the first place. When you face tough times, it's your motivation that will drive you to keep going. Remember why you started, and let that drive you to continue despite the challenges. Hard